Today, I'm going to show you how to make instant Rava dosa. For this, we take 1.5 cups of rice flour, 3 teaspoons of Rava or suji as you call it, add some salt, some jeera, some hing or asafoetida,
a small tablespoon of
some sugar,
all
and then dry mix this well. To this, we also add some curd or yogurt. Now we begin to add some water to convert this to batter. As you see, I'm also adding some maida or all-purpose flour so that it acts as a binding agent and you're able to get some good doshas. Nicely mix it. We add some onions, some grated carrots, some green chili as per your taste, some ginger to help your digestion process, and some curry leaves. We mix this thoroughly and allow it to rest for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now you will see that the batter is in consistency and ready to be made into doshas. We nicely spread this on a tawa and we will use some til oil to kind of help it roast. We evenly spread the til oil. We should allow the dosa to roast properly to give it the best taste. And now our instant Rava rice dosa is ready.